In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create color categories in Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll know how to set up meaningful labels, apply them quickly, and keep your inbox, calendar, and tasks organized with clear visual cues. Let's start by opening the Categorize menu. With Outlook open, find any email, calendar item, or task that you want to label. Right-click it to bring up the context menu. Hover over Categorize, then choose All Categories at the bottom. This opens the central place where you'll manage everything related to color categories. If you prefer using the ribbon, you can also go to the Home tab, select Categorize, and then click All Categories from there. Next, create a new color category. In the dialog, click New. Give your category a clear, memorable name, something like High Priority, Follow-up, Finance, or Team Meetings. Choose a color that visually matches the meaning you want. For example, red can signal urgency, while blue might be great for routine items. If you want to work even faster, you can assign a shortcut key so you can tag items without opening menus. Once you're happy with the name, color, and optional shortcut, click OK to save it. Now apply your categories. Select the email, task, or calendar item you want to tag, right-click it, hover over Categorize, and choose your new category. You'll see a colored square or label appear next to the item, so it stands out in your list. You can apply more than one category to the same item if it fits multiple buckets. Just repeat the process and add another label. This makes it easy to scan your inbox or calendar and immediately spot what's urgent, what's personal, or what relates to a specific project. Finally, customize your categories as your needs evolve. Go to the Home tab, click Categorize, then All Categories. From here, you can rename a category to refine its meaning, change its color if the palette isn't working for you, delete categories you no longer use, or assign and update shortcut keys. Renaming updates that label across items that already use it, which keeps everything consistent. If you delete a category, it's removed from the list, and items that had it will no longer display that color label. So consider renaming instead if you might need the history. That's it. Use a small, consistent set of categories, pair each with a clear purpose, and rely on shortcuts for speed. With just a few thoughtful labels, Outlook becomes a powerful visual system for staying on top of what matters most.